Hi everybody, good evening to all of you. By the way, DK Sharma is just before you. Today topic is the dowry system. There are many systems in our Indian society. There are many bad systems in our Indian society, but the dowry system is one of them. The reason is very clear. Here marriage means money. Here marriage means land. Here marriage means property. There is a market. There is a marriage market. Boys are bought and sold. The better is the boy, the higher is the price. Here marriage means money. Here marriage means jewelry. Here marriage means land. Here marriage means girls' property. Boys are taking their degrees. Boys are taking their higher degrees. It is all because of tilak. It is all because of dowry. Boys are taking their degrees. LLB, BBA, MBA, doctorate, engineering. It is all because of tilak. Boys want to depend on girl's father. Boys want to depend on girl's property. Boys want to depend on in-laws. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi announced Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, but it is unsuccessful. Why? Because boys' fathers are going to be greedy day by day. But I think our marriage must be an ideal. We should think about girl's father. We should think about in-laws. You know very well, in our Indian society, in our Indian family, girl's birth in the family is sad news. But boy's birth in the family is good news. Wow, what about having a party today? We will just give a grand party. Because we got a son, we got a lovely son. But if you get a beautiful daughter, which means no party, no happiness, no emotions, no compassions. Why, dear? Why? Girl's father saving paisa by paisa from her birth. He has to sell his land, his property, his jewelry too. But in the other hand, boys are just going to take their higher degrees only for tilak, only for dowry. But dear, you should think about girl's father, you should think about girls. You know, dear, it is a very good thing. You have to change your thought, your ideas, your feelings, your emotions, your compassions. Because these are just belong to your mind. You should fresh your mind. You should think about the bad condition of our village, the bad condition of our Indian society. You should think about the bad condition of girl's father. Because you can get daughter too. In future you can get daughter too. You can be the father of girls in future. That's why you should think about the bad condition of girl's father, the bad condition of in-laws. Because you are just going to take higher degrees. That's why you must have idea, you must have good knowledge. You must have compassion. You must have intention, because we all are social creatures. We all have to spend our time in our Indian society. That's why learn something for our better tomorrow. We should teach. We should teach our Indian society, because we are an